guys, it's your boy S4 James. I'm back with another video today, and today we have Airmoto Smart Air Pump. We're going to do a good old unboxing on this, show you guys what this thing can do, and then my next video will be the video of me actually using it. So let's get into this. Let's unbox this real quick. All right, and like I said, this is an air pump. Works on your car, motorcycle, basketball, you name it. Anything that you can inflate it with is going to work. Let's open up. Instructions right here. Cool. Product. Not that big. Definitely fits in the glove box for sure. Definitely fits in the glove box, or honestly, center console. One of those little things that pop up, depending on how old your vehicle is, and go somewhere in the trunk too. So let's peel this off. Boom. Oh, it's a power button. It's power on. You have to hold it. It's a whole power. It's on. All right. Let's see here. Let's look at the little interface. PSI. Let's see, what else can I do? PSI. Oh, that's going up and down on the PSI right here. So what if I want to change it from being PSI to something else? So you can change it from being PSI to, oh, there it is. PSI to bar, KPA, or KGCM. And then down here at the bottom, you can put it, this button I press right here, you can change it to be for like a basketball. I guess that's for a personal, a car, a motorcycle. Clicking again, and a bicycle. So you can pump it like that. All right, let's see. Let's put this back to PSI. Let's change this back to like a car or something like that. Oh, wait, wrong button. Boom, there we go. Up top, air hose comes out, attaches right here. Install it real quick. There we go. It works just like that. You can just hook this onto anything you need to pump it with. Has a deflate option right here. You gotta deflate anything and whatnot. So that's a cool little option. Overall, quality-wise, it's really nice quality. And like I said, it's compact. It's not super big. There's some other things in here too I noticed. Let's open that up. What we got? Attachments. Little bag. I guess to put this in. Yep. Little baggy bag. Put that thing in real quick. Charging cable. Because if you guys look right here, whereas it is a Type-C USB to charge it. So basically what's standard nowadays, because everything is Type-C. So that's the whole thing for that. So they give you a charging cable. What else they give you? Take out the charging cable. Boom. What else? And then attachments for different things, like if you want to pump up a basketball or anything like that. I'm trying to take these out. So overall, right now, 10 out of 10 presentation. Gives you everything you need. And it's very simple, straightforward. Product is very straightforward, nothing complex, anything like that. Yeah, that's everything to it. Next video, I'm going to show you guys using this. I'm going to pump up one of my tires, my car tires, actually with this, and show you how fast it does it. Link to this product information will be in my bio per usual, and I'll try to drop something somewhere up here just showing you guys the website or the product itself. These are priced at $79 each. Good price point for something like this. It's really nice. It's not cheaply made. Very good quality. But all right, I'll talk to you guys in my next video actually using this, and you guys tell me what you think.